Yes. Jesus Christ, He knows everything. They said, yes, He knows everything. Okay, Jesus knows everything. Even to your heart, yes. The hidden things, yes. Jesus is God. He knew what is inside and what is outside. Jesus is Lord and Savior. Okay, if that is true, I will ask you. Mark 13:32. One, it says, but of that day and that hour knoweth no man, no, not the angels which are in heaven, neither the Son, but the Father. Tagalog. Ngunit tungkol sa araw o oras na yaon, ay walang nakakaalam, kahit ang mga anghel sa langit, kahit ang anak, kundi ang Ama.